You will love the features of this 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. The iconic family hauler keeps getting better, while the Suburban's refined luxury and state-of-the-art technology keeps passengers comfortable and connected. Its muscle quietly gets the tough jobs done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, hands-free liftgate. You'll feel like you're on top of the world in the Suburban. Drive it today.